Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. ChatGPT has been server down. The ChatGPT has been open, but any error show problems. Error problem able to loading status. Please check. Please try to again. If you have user VPN and tomorrow of you are check your status, please information in outtake the error problems but any problem the update this video to watching and properly the guideline updated step by step the tutorial help you chat gpt issues problem resolved. First of all, the main important step, the completely claim now and the update the browser has been updated new versions completed update completed versions the Chromium Firefox and Chrome browsers has been updated browser now. Thanks for watching this video. It has been internet connection, the check-ins, completed the internet Wi-Fi, the device and cable connection, the check-ins. Second has been an important two-step, the important the student updated the check-ins and student updated the don't detective website as the red line the server chat GPT has been issues problems server crashing problems but any problem the update executor open the officially the open the AI the team has been share error problems officially the team the properly the guideline updated all tricks as apply and the important has been chat GPT's Chrome browsers opening by stated has been clean the all search history the 90 days as